Brainbee Solutions Limited, First Cry, Company Details. Brainbee Solutions Limited was founded in May 2010 and is one of the largest multi-channel retail platforms for mothers, babies and kids in terms of GMV. They launched the First Cry platform in India in 2010 to create a one-stop destination for parenting needs across commerce, content, community engagement and education. They named their platform First Cry because they believe that a baby's first cry is a special moment for parents and they want to fulfill these moments of parenthood with joy and happiness. They work in a high-traffic retail segment where children quickly outgrow clothing sizes and need consumable items like diapers and other baby products whose needs change as they age. Once parents come into contact with us, they are likely to embark on a predictable and frequent transactional journey of around 12 years as their children grow. The company has expanded internationally in select markets. It will be present in the United Arab Emirates, UAE, in 2019 and California, KSA, in 2022, where it plans to replicate its Indian concept. The management team is led by a strong board of directors, which includes representatives of the major shareholders and independent directors. Brainbee Solutions Limited, First Cry, Company Strengths. India's largest multi-channel, multi-brand retailing platform for mothers, babies and kids products. Powerful network effects driven by content, brands and data. Brand affinity, loyalty and trust of customers in the First Cry brand. Combination of curating growing home brands and relationships with third-party brands. Full-stack platform with control over manufacturing and supply chain. Brainbee Solutions Limited, First Cry, Company Objective. Brainbee Solutions Limited proposes to utilize the net proceeds to finance the following purposes. Expenses of the company for I. Establishment of new modern stores under the Baby Hug brand and 2. Establishment of a warehouse in India. Expenditure on lease payments for existing identified modern stores owned and operated by the company in India. Investments in its subsidiary Digital Age for I. Setting up new modern stores under the First Cry brand and other house brands of the company and 2. Lease payments for the existing identified modern stores owned and controlled by Digital Age in India. Investment in subsidiary First Cry Trading for overseas expansion by I. Establishment of new modern stores and 2. Establishment of warehouse in KSA. Investment in subsidiary GlobalBees brands for the acquisition of an additional stake in its subsidiaries. Sales and marketing initiatives. Technology and data science costs, including cloud and server hosting costs, and financing of inorganic growth through acquisitions and other strategic initiatives and general corporate purposes.